Hello, today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in our country for those students who want to pursue their master degree courses in IITs. So this is the question number 42 from section 3. So it is a numerical answer type or NAT question. That means we need to find a numerical answer for this particular questions. So let's see. A 0.1% solution of a protein absorbs 20% of the incident light. What fraction of light is transmitted if the concentration is increased to 0.4%? We need to answer correctly to two decimal places. So given that 0.1% solution of a protein absorbs 20% of the incident light. So we can write that 0.1 into 1 by 100 is equals to x into 20 divided by 100. So this implies x is equals to 0.1 divided by 20. If the concentration is increased to 0.4%, if the concentration is increased to 0.4%, hence fraction of light is transmitted is equals to 0.42. So our correct answer is 0.42. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.